Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Leonardo AI in Discord. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. First thing you need to do is you need to open a preferred browser. For this one, we're going to be using Edge. From here, we're just going to search leonardo.ai on Google. So we're just going to go onto the website. And from here, you can actually click Start Using Leonardo. From here, you can click on Count Me In below after you put up your first name and your email address. So you just have to make sure that you use your name and your preferred email address. Then you can click Count Me In. From here, you're going to be able to receive a verification email for early access. So all you need to do is open your email address, open the Leonardo AI welcome email, and just click on launch leonardo.ai. If you want to use it on Discord, you can actually search leonardo.ai Discord, and it's going to route you to the Discord server for Leonardo. And from here, you can just click it and click accept invite. And from here, you can select the language that you prefer to speak, or you can skip the options, so whatever you want. It's going to ask you a few questions first. So you just need to finish all the steps and agree on all the terms and conditions, and from here you'll be able to use Leonardo. That's how easy it is, guys. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next video. Thank you.